Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if your Google Chrome is running very slow. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Now you will find Google Chrome under the best match, so just simply click on that. Maximize this. Now once your Google Chrome is opened, then you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. And here you will find extensions. So we are going to remove and disable some extensions because extensions can only cause your Chrome to have a slow performance, especially if you're not using that extension. Click on manage extensions. Now here in my case, I have just removed all the extensions on my Google Chrome browser. In your case, you can simply disable the extension if it is unnecessary, or if you are not using that extension, you can simply remove that. Again, click on the three dots. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for system. Here you will find continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure that button is turned off. Use graphics acceleration when available. Make sure the button is turned off. Click on relaunch. Then for the next method, still on the options on the left pane, you will find reset settings. Click on that. Restore settings to the original defaults. Click on that. So do not worry if you're going to take this action because this will not affect or delete your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. Just simply click on reset settings. It's also very important to make sure that your Google Chrome browser is updated. Click on About Chrome. So here I have still a pending restart. That's why I'm having this error. But in your case, once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. So just simply click on that. And then close this. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. You have to click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here in this block window, simply follow me for the commands. First command is ipconfig space / flushdns. Hit enter. Next command netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Type exit. Hit enter. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, your issue will be fixed. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.